In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 526. This error appears when Cloudflare can't complete a secure connection to your origin server because the SSL certificate there is missing, expired, or not trusted. The quick fix we'll apply inside Cloudflare helps get your site loading again while you work on the certificate at the origin. I'll walk you through it clearly and safely. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple sites. You should see a list of domains associated with your account. Pick the domain that's showing the 526 error. Selecting the right domain ensures you're updating the exact site that's having the issue. With the domain open, go to the SSL TLS section in the left-hand menu and choose Overview. This area controls how Cloudflare encrypts traffic between visitors, Cloudflare, and your origin server. By default, many sites run full strict, which requires a valid, trusted SSL certificate on your origin. If that certificate has expired, is self-signed without being properly trusted, or is misconfigured, Cloudflare blocks the connection and you'll see error 526. To restore access quickly, change the encryption mode from full strict to full. Full mode still encrypts traffic between Cloudflare and your origin, but it skips validating whether the origin certificate is trusted. Save your change, then give it a moment to take effect. Refresh your site in a new browser tab or perform a hard reload. In most cases, the site will begin loading again shortly after you switch the mode. If you're using caching or a CDN feature, clearing the cache can help the change show up faster. A very important note before we wrap up. Switching to full is a temporary workaround. It helps your site come back online, but it reduces end-to-end security because Cloudflare no longer verifies the origin certificate. As soon as your origin server has a valid certificate installed and trusted, return to the SSL TLS overview and switch back to full strict. That setting provides the highest level of protection by ensuring the certificate on your server is both present and properly validated. To summarize, you log into Cloudflare, choose your domain, open the SSL TLS overview, and change the encryption mode from full strict to full. Use this to restore service, then revert to full strict once the origin certificate is fixed. This approach keeps downtime minimal while you resolve the underlying certificate issue safely.